how to set the back tap or double tap to trigger the camera control light press button on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Touch. Then in here, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Back Tap. From here, you can choose double tap or triple tap. After that, we go down in the list in the System section here. We tap on Camera Control Light Press. So tap on that, and when you have your camera open, you can double tap on that, and that will simply light press on this button right here. So I can trigger the light press button. So I can do the same with the back tap here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.